Good afternoon. Happy Friday. It's Friday for me. Maybe not for you. In any case, we are going to diagram this sentence. He quickly planted healthy seeds on rocky ground. Okay, so up to now we've diagrammed simple sentences with a subject, verb, direct object, or subject, verb, and predicate complement or predicate nominative. And we've done some adjectives. So now we're going to complicate matters by diagramming adverbs and prepositional phrases. So before we diagram the sentence, let's make sure we know what function each word, what the purpose of each word is, because every word in a sentence has a purpose. So we've got our subject here, and we'll start with the more basic words. So subject, verb, and our direct object, our DO. Okay, so this could be a valid sentence if I just used those three words. He planted seeds. He planted seeds. And we already know how to diagram he planted seeds. And since we did adjectives last time, and healthy is an adjective that modifies the seeds, we could even just diagram he planted healthy seeds. Okay, so the quickly and the on rocky ground, those are the new words, the new parts of speech that we haven't talked about yet. So quickly is a word that is modifying planted. It's telling you in what manner the seeds were planted. So we call that an adverb. And since it's modifying planted, you can probably guess already how we're going to diagram that, where it's going to be placed. And then we've got this phrase, on rocky ground, which also modifies planted. So on rocky ground modifies planted as well, just like quickly does. But these three words work in concert as a team to describe in more detail how the seeds were planted. So you can probably guess where these words are going to go in relation to the word planted. Now in this group of words, which is called a prepositional phrase, we have the word on, which is a preposition. And then we've got our noun and our adjective, rocky, which modifies ground. So you can probably tell once we diagram the word ground where the word rocky is going to go. Okay, so let's start off with our basic stuff. Subject, verb, direct object. So we've got he, we've got planted, and line separating the verb from the direct object, seeds. Okay, so we've got he, we've got planted, we've got seeds. Okay, so now let's do any adjectives or adverbs. So seeds has an adjective, healthy, so that goes here. And quickly is the adverb that modifies planted, so that will go here. So modifiers are done. Now we're up to the prepositional phrase. Remember, the prepositional phrase modifies, in this case, the word planted, the verb. So we will extend another diagonal line from planted. The preposition in the prepositional phrase will go on that diagonal line. The noun in the prepositional phrase will go on a horizontal line. And since the word rocky modifies the ground, it tells you what kind of ground it is, that goes under ground on another diagonal line. And now our prepositional phrase is diagrammed. So we've got the entire sentence here. He quickly planted healthy seeds on rocky ground. Okay, so there you go. We've got our adverbs in now, and we've got our prepositional phrase in. And I look forward to diagramming even more complicated sentences with you next time. Thanks for watching K109 Grammar. See you later.